Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to save your changes in Squarespace. This is a fundamental skill that ensures all your edits and customizations are properly stored so you never lose your hard work. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your Squarespace dashboard. This is where all your website projects live and where you can manage every aspect of your online presence. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage, which displays all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website you want to work on. This will take you into that specific site's management area where you can begin making edits and adjustments to your design and content. Now, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that and then click the Edit button that appears. This action opens up the visual editor, which is where the magic happens. The visual editor allows you to make real-time changes to your website's layout, text, images, and other elements. Take a moment to let the editor load completely before proceeding. With the editor now open, let's make a quick change so you can see how the save function works. For this example, try resizing a section on your page. You can do this by clicking on the section you want to adjust and then dragging the edges or using the resize controls that appear. This simple modification will help demonstrate the saving process clearly. Once you've made your change, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a Save button sitting right there. This button is crucial because it ensures that all the edits you've just made are permanently applied to your website. Click on the Save button to lock in your changes. After clicking Save, the button will turn grayed out. This visual change is your confirmation that Squarespace has successfully saved all your modifications. The grayed out appearance means the save process is complete and you can continue editing or exit the editor knowing your work is secure. And that's it. You've successfully saved your changes in Squarespace, ensuring your website reflects exactly what you intended. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.